Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Finch account permanently. Finch is a self-care and mental wellness app that helps users build healthy habits and emotional balance. If you decide you no longer want to use Finch and want your data removed, you can delete your Finch account permanently. Deleting your account will remove your progress and personal data and it cannot be undone. An important thing to know is deleting the Finch app alone does not delete your account. Once your account is deleted, your data cannot be recovered, and if you want to keep anything, make a backup before deleting. First, you need to open to your Finch app, and once you reach into this interface of your Finch app, in the top left we can see there's a 3-line icon. Select there. Over here, scroll a bit down until you find the profile just below the account. Select there. Once you reach into this profile interface, on the bottom we can see there's an option for the delete data. What you can do is simply select to this delete data and select delete my data and select yes, and that is it. Your Finch account will be permanently removed. All the progress, reflection and pet data will be deleted, and you will no longer be able to log in using that account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.